How to fix Telegram server errors. If you are encountering server errors on Telegram, here's how to get it working again. Start by checking your internet connection. A weak connection can cause server errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that improves things. If you are using Telegram on PC, check your network settings and ensure your connection is stable. Next, ensure that there are no ongoing server outages on Telegram's end. You can check Telegram's official social media channels or website for any server-related issue. If Telegram is down, you'll need to wait until the issue is fixed on their side. Clear your app's cache to remove any stored data that could be causing conflicts. For desktop users, reinstalling the app can also help resolve server errors. Are you still facing server errors? Let me know in the comments below. After these steps, Telegram should work without server issues and you can continue chatting smoothly. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.